So what's up guys, in this video we are going to make a Python game in which we are going to include a Python turtle. So let's see how to make, and if you didn't subscribe the channel, still go and subscribe the channel, and let's begin. So first you have to install Python. For installing Python, just go to the website python.org. I will give this website link in the description. You just come up to downloads, view the full list of downloads, and click upon the latest one, scroll down, and download 64-bit or 32-bit. I am 32-bit, so I am going for 32-bit installation. So it's installed here. Till that we will come here and download Visual Studio Code, and you can see the first link, code.visualstudio.com. click upon it and download it from here. Let's download the Python now. Let's install the Python now. Sorry, it's loading. So before you install now or customize installation, click upon add Python 3.9 to path. So now you can see two options. If you are on 64-bit, you can go with the install now process, but now I am going with customize installation, and this all should be ticked. Next, install for all, just keep it and click on install, and it's installing. Now let's run the VS Code setup. And if you want to download VS Code and download its extensions, I have made a separate video on that. You can go and see the video and hit a like to this video if you like the video, and comment about the video how you like the video. Let's see, the installation process has been started. You can accept the agreement. Next. Now I'm going very fast because I have made a video upon that. You can go and see that. I have just made a video briefly upon VS Code, so just you can go and see that. Now it's installing. Python is installed, I think so. It's installing. After it installs, I'll be there back. So you can see that my Visual Studio Code is installed, and you will see so guys, now we have installed VS Code and Python in our PC. So now we have to make a folder inside our PC. So I'm going to desktop and make a folder called as click flower Python. Click and hit enter. And now if you take all the options which I show, you will get a open with code option. You can just open it with code, and it's opening. Let it open. So you can see my VS Code is opened. Now go to extensions, and you have to install a extension called as Python, and I have downloaded Python. If you have not downloaded, you will get option as install, like here it's given, and you can install it, and just click upon new file and make a file called as main.py, or whatever name you want you can give, but I will give main.py. It's creating a file. Let it create a file. So when you downloaded Python, you can see that you will get a Python like that, and after installing extension you will get like this. now you can start coding. So this is click flower. So first I will hit hashtag and write here click flowers dot py. That I will hit enter and import random. After importing random, I am going to hit enter again and I will import. So guys, I have opened my Visual Studio Code and made a file called as main.py, py for Python, and now we are going to make a game called as click flowers. So click flowers dot py, and now I'm going to import random first, and then I will import turtle, and then I will give turtle dot bg color. I'll give as black. You can give whatever you like, and then I'm going to give colors is equal to this colors variable. I will give you in the description box. You can copy and paste from there, because I have copy and pasted colors, and now you can make a function draw flower. Okay, to draw flower, and I'm going to give x and y as value, and I will give t is equal to t. Now I'm going to give t is equal to turtle dot capital PN turtle dot pen, and hit enter, and now I'm going to give t dot speed is equal to 0. T dot hide the turtle. I'm going to say Python to hide the turtle, and t dot pen up, and then I gave t dot pen up, and now I'm going to give t dot set pose, and xy you can give which you gave in your definition, and now t dot pen down you should give pen down, and now give c1 color 1 is equal to random dot choice. We are going to use random dot choice colors. C2 we are going to use as color 2 as random dot choice. Same, you can just copy and paste this. Same you have to do here, and now you can give t dot pen color as c1. T dot pen color you can give c1, and now we are going to create a for loop. So let's create a for loop inside the draw flower. So for m in range of radius, so radius // 2, and give a colon here, and now write t dot circle. In circular shape we are going to make t dot circle radius /3. Okay, now I gave radius /3, and now I'm going to give t dot left. From left we will start to make, so 360 degree we are giving, so 360 divided by radius into 2 and now you can just come here and give turtle dot on screen click draw flower and call the function draw flower, and now you give a input to your code to not crush. So I'm giving the input as tech14. So now our code is ready. So now let's run our code. It's ready, and now let's run our code. It will not run in terminal. Terminal will open to just run our code, and a new window will open. You can see new window is open, and now if you click here, radius is not defined, so let's define the radius. Let's define the radius now. Okay, now I got why this error is coming. So you should just give here radius, and you should just give your radius only, and here you should give this only, and now you should keep enter and t dot pen color as C2. C2 you can give, and again you have to create a loop like this. Copy, paste. Now you should do /3 and save it, and now let's run and see if it gives any error. We've run the program. Let's see. As here our Python tutorial ran. Now again it's giving radius is not defined, so let's solve the problem. Okay guys, now I got it why it's showing like that. So we forgot to give the width and define the radius. So give the t dot width as random.randint 1 and 5, between 1 and 5, and then click upon enter, and radius is equal to we are going to give radius is equal to random.randint 6 to 24, and now let's see does the code crashes or no. So our code has been run, and now let's click, and you can see the flowers. For more videos, just subscribe our channel guys. If you like the video, hit the like button and share this video with your friends.